Away they go. Solar Power from the outside, moving up by the rail. Is entry number 3, Fleetwood. On the further outside is moving up by the rail is Power Negotiator. It's now Fleetwood, followed by Cut May by the rail. Solar Power. Danori inside is Power Negotiator. Had Gossip. Strong Boy is running by the rail. Matter of Honor. Alongside is Durango, Lord of the Sun, and Live in Manila. And nearing the far turn, Fleetwood by about 3 lengths, followed by Solar Power. Cat May is moving up by the rail, rushing up on the outside. Durango. Strong Boy running in the middle, and Power Negotiator as they race the final corner. Fleetwood by about 2 lengths, followed now Strong Boy. Solar Power, Durango down on the inside is Cat May. Fleetwood, Cat May, Strong Boy is on the outside, and Durango. And nearing the finish line, Fleetwood, Cat May down on the inside, is Strong Boy on the further outside, and finally it's going to a close between Cat May, Fleetwood, then comes Strong Boy. Power Negotiator close.